When you apply redaction using a solid fill, it can look harsh and distracting. Smart Fill gives you a cleaner alternative by blending the redacted area into the surrounding scene. Let's see how it works. Click Add Media and upload your file. Once it loads, you'll be in the editor. Go to Auto Detect. Select any detection type you need, for example, heads or people. Click Submit and wait for detection to complete. Go to Render and Export. This is where you choose how your redactions will appear in the final output. First, select Fill as your redaction style. Preview the result. You'll see a solid color block covering the redacted area. This is clear and effective, but visually very obvious. Now go back and switch to Smart Fill. Preview again. Instead of a solid block, the redacted area blends into the surrounding pixels, creating a more natural look. Use Smart Fill when you want a cleaner, less distracting result. Use Fill when you need strong, clearly visible redaction, especially for compliance or evidence workflows. Once you've chosen your preferred style, click Export Video and download your file. Smart Fill improves how redactions look without changing your workflow. Just choose it during export when you want your results to feel more natural and less intrusive.